and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to the channel and happy new year. So we're going to jump this year off with a new wig install from Myfirstwig. This is their lace frontal wig. The details will be below in the description bar just to make sure I get it right. So obviously this wig comes with an adjustable band, as you can see here. This wig does come with combs in the inside, and it comes with lace in the back and in the front. This wig also has a lot of layers and in the front of the wig, so I'm super excited to try this wig on and see what it's given. This wig also comes with a pre-plucked hairline, and the lace has been bleached already, so you already know what time it's giving. Ready to install. So let's go ahead and get into it. And of course, before I do any styling on this unit, I want to show you girls what the hairline looks like and what the lace looks like on my skin. So as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline, and the knots have already been bleached on this wig. So this is pretty much a put on and go type of wig. Of course, you would have to style the wig to your liking. So before I do any type of styling, of course, I'm going to go ahead and smooth out the roots or press out the roots with my hot comb, just so that I know, what my hairline is looking like and kind of get an idea of what I want to go with as far as style wise. So I am going to be doing a middle part look with this wig because it just got a lot of layers, and I feel like this wig just need a bust down. It just need the bust down middle part look. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for this look. Now this is a 13x6, I want to say. If I'm wrong, make sure you check that description bar. There is a lot of parting space on this wig, a lot, and the parting space on this wig is super duper clean. Nice ass lace for sure.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Deep, 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 right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep,
So here I have pretty much smoothed out the hairline and got the wig secured down, and so far it is turning out to be a cute install as I already expected it to be. So now I'm about to go in and tie the wig down just to make sure the lace lays flat on the skin. Even though it's already melted into my hairline, I just want to make sure it stays that way, especially because I'm about to curl my hair. I'm going to be using this new T3 curling iron that I got from the T3 website. It is on sale right now. I think this curling iron was originally like $249 or $300. Girl, tell me why this curling iron was $99. Yeah, and this is the digital one, but I really don't know if I like it because I kept hitting the on and off switch. So I might be returning this one and getting the regular one instead. And I have the regular one anyways, but I just wanted to get the digital one because it seemed like it was an upgrade, but I really think it's a downgrade. Anyways, girl, I'm about to add some curls to my hair and see what it do.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Deep, baby, deep, deep, baby, deep, deep, baby. I wanna play deep. Deep, babe, deep, deep, babe, deep, deep, babe. And rock right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach my peak, babe, peak, babe, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, babe, deep, babe, deep. Then dip me underway. You can kill your mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep.
Okay, girl, and this is pretty much going to be the final look to this install. I love the curls on this wig. I love the hairline, love the natural install, love, like, wait a minute, let's talk about how quick this install was. It literally took me a couple minutes, besides curling the hair, which didn't even take that long either, to install this wig and get it to look the way it looks right now. Like, let's talk about it. Let's talk about convenient wig installs, because ain't nobody got time for a whole hour, 2-hour wig installs, seriously. So yeah, girl, I am here for Myfirstwig, providing these convenient put on and go type of wigs. Like, look at all these curls. Look at that. Look at that. Body for days, layers for days. This is such a beautiful install, y'all. I'm gonna make sure I leave all the details below on this wig so you girls can purchase this wig. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you girls in the next one. Bye.